All right, guys, today we're gonna see if an XRT could pull me down an icy hill. I don't really know what to expect, so let's figure this out. Went into low power mode. I overheated it, but I got covered in snow on that. How did that look?
That was awesome.
Well, welcome to the intro of the XRT in snow. Oh my god. Look at these 20-foot deep ruts. Oh my god. That's like 20 feet right there, guys.
That's what the road looks like.
Oh, Jesus. All right, guys, we got some fresh icy snow out here in Texas for once in every 2 years. We're gonna see how the XRT performs today. I'm also gonna keep the camera rolling in case I slip and fall and bust my head and I turn into an Arrma fan. So let's go get into this. It's currently 18 degrees out here and it's got a little bit of snow. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so fun. Let's see. Let's go and interact with a road. Hold on. We're cracking through. Let's go interact with if you were driving on the road would be like today. Oh yeah. Real car, baby. Oh yeah, she's eating it up though. Oh no. Stopping's the hard problem. Let's get a good slide coming our way. Yeah, that's what it would be like if you actually try to stop on this road in a real car. Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm having a hard time stopping. Oh, almost my mailbox. But the drifts are crazy. Oh yeah, I can drift this sucker easy on these J concepts, baby. This is so fun. Look, Mom, no hands, no hands. So it's not really snow, it's more ice than anything. But I'm out here cracking it. Nothing like getting pelted by snow with your own truck. You actually fell over. Trying to get a full throttle. Look at that tire. Over me. Oh my gosh. Hope you guys are enjoying this. It's worth it. I'm gonna go back to the road. Oh no. Hello. Back on the pavement. Oh no! What the heck? What the heck? My wheel nut must have came off somewhere. There it is. Easy to find out here in the snow. What the heck? Make sure you always tighten down your tires. That was great. I'm gonna go put it back on and let's go keep ripping. That's hilarious. Limping on back to the house. I'm a little messed up. Look at this nice line my hub is scraping in the ground here. All right, we got Cass out here now. So we're gonna go show her what this thing can do. So she can say much wow. It's easy drifting. All right, babe, you want to see what would happen if you were driving? Ready?
Yeah.
Going, and you slam on your brakes? Yeah. Yeah, you're not stopping for a while. Stay off the roads, guys. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this stuff right here is just straight ice on the road. Oh, I have found great ice. For everybody that lives up north, this might be, you know, an everyday life thing, but not in Texas, especially not in East Texas. This is real ice. Yeah, this is real ice. Oh, oh, oh. I walked on it, it's cracking. Act like it's a deep pond. There we go. That's a little bit of snow right there. The J concept sounds so cool. That was a full burnout. All right, from a standstill. At the end of the road, we always get a little bit of water that stays here. Ooh, and it's windy. See the American flag? America! I just wish there was actual snow and just not all ice. All right, here's that little bit of ice I've been trying to get to. Let's see if we sink or not. Oh my God. Oh man, we went into low power mode right here. I got some more batteries I'll throw in and come back in a little bit. This is so fun. Hope you guys are enjoying this as much as me. Again, this is just stuff I'm gonna put on my channel, so when I'm 80 years old, I'm like, I did that. All right, we got the XRT out here, but we got some other friends now. We got Michael on the Typhon, Zachary on the TRX4 on dualies. Yo, if we go up here to the end of the road, there's like ice. There's like actual ice and water if you want to go try it out. Mobbing out in the ice. See, look over here. There's a little bit of ice on this road. Like this is ice. I think they had a little incident over here. Yeah, on TRX4 on dualies is so sweet. Oh, Michael going crazy over there. Here's that actual ice. Oh my God. Look at her smiles. Michael upside down. Here comes Zachary. Oh, that was nice. Oh yeah, baby. Woo, that's slick. Nice, Michael. Oh yeah. Hey, he's burning it up with the dually. Yeah. How you liking the dually, Zach?
Dude, it's sweet.
Yeah. That axe system makes that thing wonderful. Oh, nice. You're good. Found you some rocks. You see that switch right there? Push that switch all the way down. There, it just locked all the diffs. Both of y'all flipped over at the same time. It gets colder down on this side of the road. It's getting cold down here.
Yeah, I know.
Here come Michael through people's road ditches, hitting signs, hitting culverts. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, man. The wind picks up down here. We're almost at the ice again. Oh, oh, there's no traction over here, boys. Oh, we found a little bit of water. This is ice. Michael keeps taking you out. Zachary keeps trying to get off the ice. Don't slip. There you go, Zach. There you go, Zach. Get it. Get it. Yeah. Yeah. There you go, Michael. Yeah. Yo, Michael, that's sick. Oh. Yeah, Zachary. That was sick. Oh, that was cool for a second. We're all just sliding. Yeah, Michael. All right, everybody switch. All right, Zachary's on the XRT. Michael is now on the TRX4, and I'm on the little Typhon. Yeah, she's Woo. Yeah. Zachary coming in here flying. Woo. Oh, Michael's getting a good one going there. Let Zachary do it. I'm trying to get out of your way. There you go, that's a good spot. Hey, that worked. Full pin. Whoa, that was close. You all right, Michael? No throttle? It's probably dead. Look how iced over this truck is. Yeah, we probably burnt through that battery pretty quick. I mean, most of it can just hold full throttle, so see if that'll get you home for a little bit.
Yeah, I can turn the wheels, just can't go forward. Oh, it can go backwards. Oh, there it goes. All right.
You can drive if you drive really slow, you should be able to make it home. So we don't have to carry it. But it's not that heavy if we do. That's crazy that truck already iced over. Woo! See, I just went into low power mode too. Good use of batteries, boys. That was almost clean, Zachary. But don't worry, I got lots of batteries, lots more cars if we want to do anything. But you gotta think about it. We're sitting here full blast the whole time, just spinning. So normally you're not really in any scenario that you're gonna just sit on the throttle the whole time.